Hi guys, so if this is your first time here, my name is Yao, and here I help you to read, write and speak the Akan language of Ghana. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and if you find any of my lessons useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, so today I'm coming at you with another lesson on pronunciation. Okay, so I know how important pronunciation is, especially towards you sounding more like a native. All right, so every now and then I'll be coming at you with lessons on pronunciation, just like this one. Okay, please take a look at these and I'll be right back. Welcome back. Did you notice anything common between the words that were given? I mean the words that were presented before the break. Did you notice anything common between them? Okay, I'm putting them right back here. So go through them and tell me if you find anything common between them. Okay, so pause the video right here and leave your answer in the comment section below. No cheating. Okay, so look through these words and tell me what you find common between them. Okay, I'm waiting. Are you done? Okay, so as you can see, each of the words on this list ends with the letters A, right? A, or A-N in English. Okay, and for words like these, so three words that end with the letters A, okay, there's something peculiar about how we pronounce them, and that's what we are going to look at in this lesson. Okay, so what I would like you to know is three words that end with the letters A, mostly do not get pronounced as such by natives. Okay, they don't. So if you come by a Twi word that ends with the letters A, you are most likely going to sound less fluent to a native if you pronounce it as it is. Okay, so what happens is the A, at the end of such words tend to be pronounced as ein. Ein, okay, instead of an. Ein. So the diphthong ein. Okay, ein. We are going to practice with the examples given, but I just want you to get it first. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if you come by three words that end with the letters A, you are going to sound more fluent if you say it with the ending as ein instead of an. Okay, because that's what natives do. Okay, so we have ein instead of an. And one thing I failed to mention in our previous pronunciation lesson is that these tips shouldn't be taken as strict rules. Okay, so you wouldn't be wrong to say them otherwise. All right, you wouldn't be wrong. You just sound more native, at least Asante Twi native, if you say it this way. Okay, so just to recap, I'm saying that three words that end with the letters A, mostly do not get pronounced as such by natives. Okay, so if you come by a Twi word that ends with the letters A, you would sound more native-like if you do not say it as it is. Okay, so the A, at the end of such words, which ordinarily will be pronounced as an, gets pronounced as ein. Okay, ein. So the diphthong, ein. So the at the end of such words is reduced to a slight contact between the sides of the tongue and the upper teeth. Okay, so when we say ein, we sort of raise the sides of the tongue to touch the upper teeth. Okay, so we have ein. Okay, all right, enough of the details. Let's put this in practice. So for our first word, this one, we would mostly say this as mine. Okay, mine, and less often man. So it's mine. Okay, mine. All right, and for our second one, we have a dine, and not a done. No, we don't say a done. We say a dine. Okay, and then we have a buying, okay, not a bun. No. a buying, okay. Next we have a jamine, and not a jaman. No, so it's a jamine, okay. And for this Akan name, we say ajimine, okay, ajimine. And then we have quine, okay, quine. All right, next we have equine, okay, equine, not equine. All right, it's equine. Kind, or king kind, okay, king kind. And then we have subine, okay, subine. And there's a saying that goes like, subine te se nyinseng wuntumi mfantie. Okay, subine te se nyinseng wuntumi mfantie. Subine te se nyinseng wuntumi mfantie. Okay, so we have subine, okay, and then we have abine, okay, abine. And the last one on our list is a nine, okay, a nine. And remember, this is the same name that we give to the number 4. Okay, so we have a 9 for the leg, and we have a 9 4. Okay, a 9, a 9, a 9. All right, so I hope you found this useful. If you did find it useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time.